What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Big thank you to Outre for sending this unit out, baby. Let's get into this 30-inch Wanda, baby. If you are new, do consider hitting that subscribe button. And of course, drop your girl a comment down below. Alright, so clearly this wig is doing the Humpty dance. So I'm gonna actually go in and I'm gonna tint the lace on camera. We're gonna fix this hump, and I'm just using the cardboard the cardboard insert that comes with the wig, and this has a little bit of my foundation. I'm gonna rub it in with this foundation brush. Now this unit's already a little silky fine, okay? So I definitely don't want to add too much heat to it, because yeah, we'll be shining bright like a diamond. We don't want that. So I'm actually gonna go in with my blow dryer first to see if we can kind of finesse this up.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As they said, the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. You know that I'll be back. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Pop up the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. You know that I'll be back. Here I go. So I'm back up in the game. Running things to keep my spine. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what you did, you know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. But you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I never did. You lied to me. But I do. Return of the man. Yeah. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. You know that I'll be back. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. Don't you know?
Baby, I can't even fit all of this lusciousness into the frame. There's 30 inches of lusciousness, baby, because ANNNDD is here, honey, okay? And the category is extra AF, and that is what she is giving. All right, so just a couple of specs on this beauty here, baby. This is part of Outre's SleekLay collection. I do have her in the style ADELAIDE. Now they do state this is a flat lace finish unit, and baby, she is giving you 30 inches of synthetic. Now I do have this in the color Chocolate Frost, and of course she comes in a number of different colors, baby. All right, boom, check it. So first, my eye kept watering for the life of me. Couldn't get it to stop. So yeah, eyes might look a little off. Two, life of doing videos. I realized when I installed this unit that yeah, the lace was a little clackable. So definitely could have pulled the unit forward just a little bit more of a tinch. But I do still stand by the install. I think it came out pretty good. So yeah, as you were. She is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, and of course they do claim HD transparent lace. I've stated my opinions on HD transparent lace when it comes to some of these synthetic units. Yeah, it's a given. So baby was giving a little Humpty dance. Okay, she was doing the little Humpty hump. So I did go through with my hot appliance. A lot of times with these long one length units on me, can be a hit or miss, and a lot of times it's a miss. I usually get like cone head action up top for whatever reason, but baby, just with a little bit of heat, and she is laying flat, 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 flat. So no issues with the cap fit, cap construction on this unit. Now this one does not have an elastic band. This cap lays super flat, super snug. Most importantly, lots of room on the sides. However, remember, this is not a frontal unit, baby, okay? This is one of them old school improved units. So you get the great cap fit, you get the great party space. That's it when it comes to the hairline. Can't even see it. So if you wanted to push it back, you definitely could and get, you know, some type of effect. Not really feeling this look on me. So I am going to push it back to the front. Now I did notice this wig did tend to slide back just a little bit for me. So I've had to pull it just a teeny. Just a teach. But that's really it when it comes to the cap fit. Snug to a fault, and that's okay with me. And of course, baby, can we take in this color? Baby. Now, listen, this was kind of one of those regrets, okay? Because when I took this out the pack and I saw the color, I saw the length, I really thought it was going to be doing too much. But this chocolate frost, listen, nah. This is not your Grammy's brown wig, okay? This is not that brown church wig that she been wearing for 30 years, okay? This is definitely an improvement on the brown color. It's really kind of giving me that sun-kissed vibe. A lot of golden tones in here, and baby, my skin is feeling it. Oh yes, she's feeling it. As I mentioned, one length, sis. One length. You only got one length. Yeah, this is just one length. I did not cut anything into this unit this go around. I just decided to leave it as is. I really feel like this is kind of giving me a nice flirty little vibe. Yeah, and I can even scoot back just a little bit just so you can see what we are dealing with. Ooh, child. Oh, lordy. Yeah, so you know, this is definitely a lot of hair. Thick density all the way. I don't even really feel any tracks in the back, and she's still laying super flat on the back of my head. So man, she ain't going nowhere. Yeah, so I'm really pleased. And guess what, baby? I think even, hold on, let me get the hat right. Y'all know I love pulling this hat out. Even with the hat, baby. Okay, let me scoot down a little bit so you can see her. Oh, so you can see her, baby. Yes, Adelaide. Yes. Hello. Girl, get you some nice suede boots and this wig in Adelaide in this color. Girl. Yeah, so she's definitely cute. So would I purchase this again? I definitely would. I would purchase this, transition it from fall, spring, maybe early summer. You do anything after that, it ain't my fault. Yeah, so big thank you to Outre for sending out this beauty. Definitely appreciate it. If you are interested in the details or purchase links, hit up the general link in the description box down below. It will take you to the Google page for all of the websites. Look accordingly, shop accordingly, buy accordingly, slay accordingly. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Do consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course, drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.